Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebroke Adventure, working on a new project here. And LiTime was kind enough to send us a lot of these products to bring you an up-close look, talk to you about what we're going to be using them for. We're building a 100 amp hour solar generator, and we're going to be using the LiTime products in this build. One of the components that we're going to need on this, on the 12 volt circuit, is a 6-way 12 volt fuse block. So let's take a look at this thing, show you how it comes packaged, what we get. Right, this is this 12 volt fuse block. All right, we have our terminal block, we have our user manual, we have a bag full of assorted fuses, different amp fuses. We have our stainless steel mounting hardware, and we have a little sticker pack where you can label your different fuses and what they're going to, so it's just easy to identify your system. If we get in real close here, right, we have nickel plated copper terminals here and here, right? It is a 100 amp fuse block, right? And you're gonna use 6 gauge or 4 gauge wire coming into these terminals, positive and negative. It has a fuse blow detector light. So anytime any one of these fuses is blown, the corresponding light will light up. It will let you know which fuse is blown. That way you're not fiddling around in the dark trying to find which is the blown fuse. So really nice to identify. It has this nice protective cover right here that just snaps right onto place, right? Nice and secure. So it comes with your mounting hardware. So yeah, the 6 terminal 100 amp fuse block from LiTime. This is what we're using in our project, and it's definitely gonna work for us. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time,